Now today, let's put the spotlight on the Xiaomi T series. Xiaomi T series embodies the core values of Xiaomi with a key focus on camera flagship and leading technology. Xiaomi 11T Pro and Xiaomi 11T were designed with cinematic in mind. Our engineers took inspiration from the iconic vintage film camcorder that brought us those classic movies, like the two filming reels that we have here. It's also reflected in the Xiaomi 11T series design. And complementing this design is a small red dot accent on the bottom left, as you can see here. And that is why for the Xiaomi 11T series smartphone, it's designed with tapered edges and 3D quad curve back. For that perfect hand feel, even when you're holding it for long hours. This is combined with a slimmer and lighter form factor compared to the previous generation, while still using the same massive battery. Now, both Xiaomi 11T Pro and Xiaomi 11T series come in three sleek colors to choose from. Both Xiaomi 11T Pro and Xiaomi 11T comes in three unique colors. You have the meteorite gray, moonlight white, and celestial blue. It's designed with precision and comfort in mind just for you. When filming, sound makes all the difference as well. Sound evokes emotional responses. And with the Xiaomi 11T series, it features an all-new audio zoom feature. This lets you zoom into the sound of your subject as you're recording. Xiaomi 11T Pro and Xiaomi 11T features three pro-grade AI-powered cameras, so you will never miss a moment. Xiaomi 11T Pro and Xiaomi 11T will both have a 108 megapixel camera. And beyond the main 108 megapixel camera, we've also included an ultra-wide angle, which has become a necessity over the recent years. Finally, we have telemacro. And compared to other macro lens, it allows you to capture close-up shots from a bit further away. This is really helpful, especially if you want to keep your subject well lit. We actually put this telemacro lens to a test and captured something pretty magical. And so Xiaomi 11T Pro lets you shoot in HDR10 plus. This gives you vibrant colors, higher contrast ratios, and optimal brightness level. We're not only letting you shoot in HDR10 plus. Xiaomi 11T Pro gives you an end-to-end HDR10 plus experience. Xiaomi 11T series uses pro-grade lens and sensors combined with advanced AI algorithm to let you easily capture all the amazing photos and videos that we just saw today. For the Xiaomi 11T Pro, it'll feature one of Android's fastest processor, the Snapdragon 888. This chipset features flagship 5 nanometer process technology that is swift and highly power efficient, a world-class image signal processor, and an enhanced AI engine with up to 26 TOPS for faster image and video processing. And for the Xiaomi 11T, it'll come with MediaTek's latest and most powerful chipset, the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Ultra. This flagship MediaTek processor comes in the leading 6 nanometer process technology and features one of the fastest core in the smartphone industry with a clock speed of up to 3 gigahertz. And it's also 25% more power efficient compared to the previous generation. Xiaomi 11T series gives you a new way to film your life with easy-to-use video effects, a powerful 108 megapixel triple camera that lets you shoot detailed photos in any occasion. It's all supported by flagship processors. Xiaomi 11T series has always been about providing an exceptional display, starting with the Mi 10T series last year. And today, the Xiaomi 11T series will carry forward this legacy. It'll feature one of the best flat AMOLED displays in the market today, and a display with more than 1 billion colors. This results in smoother transitions compared to typical smartphones with only 16 million colors. Xiaomi 11T series display is also extremely accurate. Each display is carefully calibrated, tested, and tuned by our engineers. And with such an incredible display, it is but fitting to pair it with only the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. It's tested to survive drops on hard surfaces up to 2 meters. Xiaomi 11T Pro will be supporting Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Now, leading directors and cinematographers swear by this one. It is the leading industry standard for cinematic experiences. Let's hear it from John Colling, Senior VP of Dolby, to talk more about this exciting collaboration.
Hello, everyone. I'm John Cooling, head of Dolby's global commercial.
Xiaomi 11T Pro's dual speakers will also come with expert sound tuning by Harman Kardon, a global leader in creating some of the best speakers and car audio systems with nearly 70 years of history. What you're getting is truly a phenomenal listening experience with amazing depth and amazing bass. So, what does a pro audiovisual experience feel like? Let's check this out. To sum up, Xiaomi 11T series provides you with a truly elevated and transformative cinematic experience. It takes it even further with support for Dolby Vision and sound by Harman Kardon, plus DisplayMate A+ for the Xiaomi 11T Pro. But we actually have one more thing that will really change your life today. For some, fast charging means charge to 100% in over an hour and a half. And for others, fast charging means charge to 100% for over an hour. And today, we're here to redefine what fast charging means. We don't call it fast charging. We call it 120 watt Xiaomi HyperCharge. Xiaomi 11T Pro powers up in just 17 minutes. Now that's unbelievably fast. That's 120 watt Xiaomi HyperCharge. Xiaomi 11T Pro combines the best of both worlds. 120 watt Xiaomi HyperCharge plus a huge 5,000 milliamp hour battery. And of course, a 120 watt Xiaomi HyperCharger will also be included in box. Xiaomi 11T Pro matches or even surpasses in display, processor, and camera. For the Xiaomi 11T Pro, prices will start at just 649 euros. That's Cinemagic 108 megapixel cameras, A+ rated display, flagship Qualcomm processor, and life-changing 120 watt Xiaomi HyperCharge. And for those of you who want a larger storage, prices start from 699 euros. And for those who want the ultimate 12 plus 256 variant, prices start from 749 euros. Now, for the Xiaomi 11T 8 plus 128 variant, prices will start at just 499 euros. That's Cinemagic cameras, one of the best flat displays, 67 watt turbocharging. And for the 8 plus 256 variant, prices starts at 549 euros.